That's going to work. Eat. Hi. Today I have a little bit different story. One tourism. She's noticed one dog, very poor dog, very skin rash or some kind of sick. Very scared dog, very scared for the human beings when he live in very isolation, like roadside. She have my number because I give one services by website, by WhatsApp. After she got my phone number and she text me because she went to a far away, like a 18-kilometer distance. She sent to me the one message. She asking help because she when noticed this dog very sad to about this dog, but she need to medication or some help to this want to do this dog. She request me. I accept. I also love to do helping dogs. I have one dog in domestic, but she need to buy or any channel doctor this dog. But I going to today see this dog. If like a puppy, I can take to home. It's no problem. It's a little bit big, Sri Lanka have a lot of many street dog. We cannot take to home because the dog not coming too close. So big dog how behavior. That's why first I going to see this dog. If there, what kind of activity, but she mentioned the messages, but this dog not coming too very close to human beings, that is scared. It's a little bit far away, but when you put give him food, he eaten, but when distance human beings, we going to away. Okay, we will check. Okay, I expert. She asking this help about me, for me. Okay, I will going to show how to this dog. They are okay. What do you do? We can do. Okay. Customers gave the location and dog picture, everything. I just walk into dog. If there, we can treat. If you buy like medicine, or we can contact the doctor. Let's see if they are dog. This way I saw that location, but exactly it's Ben. If I see, I can tell. Yeah, I can see the boards there. Customer already sent all detained. Yeah, I can see the dog, but yeah, his pictures this dog. It's not puffy. It's it's little big dog. This dog. But we can contact the doctor and we can ask what you can do. It's really for dog. Yeah, I should help in this dog. After contact the doctor, our doctor say some name of tablet. Go buy the medicine shop and give buy yogurt or some food. Okay, I'm hit this shop here. Nobody giving to medicine because the owner is not. I going to another shop. Came to a supermarket. They also know the medicine. Okay, we have challenge. There are bunch of dog. Mm, well, our target is one dog, but this several yogurt here. But I put in one tablet mash and put like make powder and one yogurt and other yogurt giving other dogs. Put one tablet balance and two yogurts here. I will give tomorrow at same time to dog. After healing this dog, I will show next episode. That's going to work. If eat. Yes, it's going all eat. Yes. I'll target this dog. Yes. When was I buy the medicine, not allowed to, they are recorded. Uh, that's why I did not record. Okay, so finally, this 4 dog or 8 tablet, but I want to give the next tablet, maybe tomorrow I will give. But very happy. Okay, I'm telling to Spanish customers who message and ask the help. I did it job. Okay, future I like to help like this, like the dog many. In Sri Lanka have a lot of street dog. I will help every dog. Okay, just give your support. Plan or success. The dog ate a tablet. Is very happy and want to give another tablet.